little bit, but not get rid of it totally. Oh, there's another one. The Great Train Robbery. ID Generate 187, welcome to my stream. I just bought this game early and I can't wait to start it tomorrow. Yeah, you'll thoroughly enjoy it if you're an Assassin's Creed fan in general. Oh, I've been on for a while. I'm just doing a few more last bits and then I'll be coming to the end of my stream. All my lovely viewers. I just seen a community event that I thought, oh, I'll do this quickly. Another train robbery. It's helping me to get skill points up, which I like. Oh, I'm nearly there, just a bit further. If I can get to it quick enough. Yeah, there we go, right, yes. There's another community event. Good night, Ian, thank you very much for stopping by. Very much appreciated. Ooh, there's 4 on here. There's another one down there. Good night, have a good night's sleep. Oh, shift you, I need to get this look out. Hi new viewers, welcome to my stream. I'm just currently doing a community event for train robbery. One in at the front of the train and one at the back. Let's get this one first. It's in there. Yeah, quite a lot of experience and money doing these. Right. Come on, climb on the top of the train, Jacob. Jump off. Community event done. Alcaldo Mobile, welcome to my stream. Oh yeah, I'm definitely doing more of them community events. Get skill points very quickly.